Hello dear students. Students, today I will teach you that how we will measure the capacity or volume of a thing in liters and milliliters. So let's start. So students, today we will measure the capacity of this bucket in liters, and for this we are using a water bottle that having capacity of 1 liter. So we will see that how many bottles of 1 liter we will use that we get the bucket filled with water. Now students, we will pour this water into this bucket. I have poured 1 liter water in this bucket. I have filled this bottle again, and now again I pour one bottle in this bucket. I have poured 2 liter water in this bucket. Again I pour 1 liter more water in this bucket. This bucket have 3 liter water and 1 liter more water. Students, we have poured 4 bottles of 1 liter in this bucket, means 4 liter water. Now I again pour 1 more bottle in this bucket. If I pour 1 liter more water in this bucket, then how much water it has? Yes, 6 liter. We have already poured 6 liter water in this bucket and 1 liter more. Students, we have poured 7 liter water in this bucket, and let's see if we poured 1 liter more in this bucket, is this bucket filled with water? So let's see. Students, do you see that this bucket filled with water after pouring 8 bottles of water into it? So it means that the capacity or volume of this bucket is 8 liters. Students, here I have an empty bottle of 1 liter. Here I have one medicine vial which is having the capacity of 100 milliliters. Then how many vials filled with water I will have to use if I want to fill this bottle completely? So let's see. Now students, I have poured 10 vials of water into this 1 liter bottle to fill it completely. Yes, how many vials of 100 milliliters? Yes, 10 vials of 100 milliliters. It means students, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Students, here I have a cap of medicine vial which has some marks. These smaller standard units of measuring are very important for us. Let's see how. One day, Raji got ill and her mother took her to doctor. Doctor gave her 2 vials of medicine and suggest her mother to give 5 milliliter medicine from each vial, but her mother was unable to find exact quantity of 5 milliliters, so she gave me her medicine with a spoon or a cap on estimated basis. So Raji could not get well in spite of taking medicine because medicine was not given in proper quantity. So students, we came to know that these smaller standard units of measuring are very important in our life. Students, your past question is, if 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, then 6 liter is equal to how many milliliters? Yes, right, it's D option, 6000 milliliters. We will take the right answer, and your homework is to do the activity of measuring the capacity or volume of the bucket with the help of 1 liter water bottle at your home. So students, thank you. Have a nice day.